Here is the Honda Accord, and that's where the light is. In order to access it, we have to open up the trunk, and now we need to get this light out. So for that, let's go ahead, get a flathead screwdriver and put it right over there in the back, and then pry it out from those 2 points to get this cover off from there. There are two clips which are holding it in place, 1 and 2. Now you need to get an 8mm socket ratchet combination or 8mm wrench and get those two bolts out. You can also use a Phillips screwdriver if you like. Let's just get them out and keep them somewhere safe. Now this is important, the light doesn't slide out to the back, it comes out on the side. So first just grab the light and then rock it loose. Okay, and this is important, it comes out on the side. So just push it from the back there, push it there, rock it, and it'll eventually pop out. There are two clips which are holding it in place, 1 and 2. They go right over there in those two holes. Now grab the bulb holder and twist it left to loosen it, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just push down, twist it left. So down, left, and the bulb comes out. The bulb size is 7507. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon for yourself, and then put it back in the bulb holder. Push it down, twist your right, let it go, and locked in place. Now when you put it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning, and it may take you a few seconds before it just drops in and sits in flush like this. At this point, just twist your right and you're done. Now let's position this light and just focus on the front two clips. Now you can see the top one, so align that clip with the hole there, and once it's in place, just give it a push so it'll pop back in. Now let's get those bolts back in and hand tighten them first, one by one. You may have to push the light around a little bit to align the holes over there. So get those bolts in place and then tighten them down, and this is looking good. Nothing's sticking out, everything is fixed in place. Let's just put this cover back in place, get it in position, and then press right where those two clips are. It'll pop back in. 1, 2, and that is looking good. And that's pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.